In Volume 1 of Capital, Marx writes that the capitalist system has to be understood as being as successful in reproducing poverty as it is in reproducing wealth. That's right. And boy, is that a Hegelian moment.
Given that you and I, in a couple of days, are about to be participating in this forum about China and the United States, I think it's worth asking right now just about how you see Mao ranking among the Marxists and what his contributions were and legacy is.
Oh, that's a hard one. Well, he's certainly among the important people. More, I don't mean to be unfair to him, but more because of his role. He brings sophisticated Marxism to China. I mean, you don't have to say anything else. That makes you a world historical figure of the greatest. I mean, it's stupefyingly important what he did. Number one. Number two, his political decision has shaped the world in a way not like Gramsci. Gramsci's got this corpus of work on analyzing culture